Hi everyone, I am Mayur Nave, and in this video we are going to learn about SQOOP and its import commands. So what is a SQOOP? SQOOP is basically a tool designed to transfer data between Hadoop and relational database. So in easy term, we can transfer our sequential data from MySQL, such as MySQL, to HDFS, and we can perform Hadoop actions on it. So as you can see, we can import MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, DB2 to Hadoop, and then we can export it back. So in this video we are going to learn about import commands. So these are some features of SQOOP. It is robust, it is we can use full loaded, we can use parallel import or export, and you can see this. I will post it in description. And these are some limitations of SQOOP. We cannot pause or resume SQOOP, and SQOOP uses the MapReduce paradigm in backend to process, and that is why it is slow. And now we will directly come to our commands which we are going to perform today. So first we can perform this one. This is to first we can also perform the SQOOP version. So like this you can see it is showing us SQOOP version. And this our second command is list database. So this basically lists all the databases present in our MySQL. Here I am connecting to MySQL. So first this is a main command. I'll just highlight it. So this is main command for listing out databases. So let me just copy this. Yeah, so and by using this dash connect, we are connecting it to our localhost MySQL, and then I am passing it my username, my SQL username, which is root, and then we have saved our password. So I have saved my password in scoop.password file, and by using this command you can do the same, and you can put it into the Hadoop, and you can access it from there by using this command, which is dash password file, and scoop.password is our file name. So I will just paste this command in our command prompt. Now I will hit enter. So as you can see, we have these databases, which is MySQL, SQL operations, SQOOP test, and etc. Now our second command is list tables. Now this list tables, we just have to change this one, list tables, and we have to add the database from which you want to see the tables. So that is it. I will now run it. I'll just copy it. So as you can see, I have contact, customers, employee, and all of these tables in my database. Now we are going to import a single table to our HDFS. Now first I will just create one directory over there, HDFS DFS dash mkdir. So this is the command to create directory in our Hadoop. Slash imports. So this is our directory in which we are going to save our input, which we can see it is output in this case, but we are giving input from SQOOP to HDFS. So we are saving these files in HDFS through SQOOP. So now our directory is made. Now to import, we use this import command and this connect, which we are connecting, and this username, password, and this is a table command to import the specific table. Here I am importing employee table, and here we are using one mapper, and here we are specifying our target directory. So you don't have to worry about this one. This directory will be created automatically, and we are going to see that. I will just copy this and paste it over here. And as you can see, it always uses this map reduce. So now it will start a job through Hadoop, and I will show you that in Yarn UI. So as you can see, it is starting now job 14. So if I go to this page, which is my Yarn UI, it will be showing over here at any moment now. So as you can see, it is taking so much time. It is a slow process by using SQOOP. So as you can see, our map reduce is started now. So it should show over here. So as you can see, our job 14 is running now. So it has allocated 2 CPU cores and has allocated 2072 MBs of memory. So now our command is successfully executed and has retrieved 5 records, and we can browse it over here. So if I refresh this, we can see here SQOOP imports, and then we have table import, and here we have our file which is imported, which is a MySQL file. Again, as you can see here our table is copied, and our second command is, here we are going to use where clause, and here we are only getting where income is greater than 6000. So rest of the command is same. I'll just copy this and paste it over here. So now our command is totally executed, and now we will check it in our UI. I'll just refresh it. And as you can see over here, we have where directory, and here we have our file. I will just show you the output of our import. So as you can see, we have here data which has only income greater than 6,000. Here we have 9,000, 9,000 and 10,000. So now we are going to run our next command, and it is basically we are incrementing the number of mappers, and this is the only difference over here. And now we are going to see what is the difference we are getting. I will just copy this command and I will run it over here. So as you can see here it is specifying number of splits as 3, and if I go up here, it is specifying number of splits is 1, because here a mapper is 1 and here number of mappers are 3. So we will see the output, what happens with the output over here. And here also we are importing the employee table, so we will see the difference. So as you can see here, it is now mapping and reducing. Now our task is completed, and now let's check our output. I'll go back and just yeah, here you can see mapper increase, our directory is here. And now here as you can see, we have divided mapper into 3 parts. Now our output is also is in 3 parts. So in part 1, let's see what's over here. So as you can see, this is 1, 2. Yeah, this is a different table which I have taken here. So it is to show you this first and second part of our table, first and second row. And here we have 3 and 4. So it will divide our data into 3 parts because we have taken mappers as 3. And here we have 5, 6. Now let's move to our next command. And our this video's last command is to import whole database. So to import whole database, we write the command import all tables, and then we connect it. And now we are going to import from SQOOP test, because my other database has so much data, so it will take so much time. And then username is same, password file is same, and then we have mapper as 1. And here we have a big difference, because here we are using warehouse directory and previously we were using target directory. So warehouse means we have a large amount of data, which is a whole data set we are importing, whole database we are importing over here. So now let's run this command and let's check what happens. So our execution will start now. So there are only 2-3 tables in this database. So we will see what happens over here. So as you can see, it has started job number 17, and now we will see the difference in some time. Now it is running job number 17, which is here it is basically importing the first table of our database. And now here you can see it has started job number 18. So it is basically now importing our second table from database. Let it finish that task, and then we will go to our web UI and check it out. And it is showing here it has retrieved 3 records, and now just check out over there. So here we have directory database. In here we have 2 tables. I have told you earlier we have only 2 tables in that database. So one is authors and one is table employee. So these are the real names of our table. I will go inside it, and it has all the information about table inside this file. So in this way we can import whole database at one time using SQOOP. So what we have learned in this video, so we have learned about what is SQOOP as an introduction. We have seen SQOOP import in this video, and we have seen some features, some limitations, and then we have seen these commands and this import commands which we have seen in this video. And that is it from my side. We will end this video over here. Thank you for your time.